Manage system users, roles, and permissions securely. User profile management begins in the Users module, the strategic hub for platform access control. Technician profiles consolidate essential contact details and organizational assignments for field personnel. The summary view provides an immediate overview of technician identity and corporate affiliation. Reset password enables administrators to securely restore user access during credential failures. Lock user functionality restricts system access to maintain security during personnel transitions or audits. The work order log tracks all maintenance tasks assigned to the specific technician for accountability. Job card history displays real-time progress of field executions and validates completed service requirements. Asset visibility ensures technicians are linked to the specific machinery and equipment they maintain. Notes capture qualitative field insights and administrative remarks to preserve historical context. Activities log provides an immutable audit trail of every system interaction performed by the user. Vendor profiles manage external service providers to ensure compliance with third-party service agreements. Vendor details centralize primary contact information and physical service locations for logistics planning. Edit mode allows for real-time updates to vendor credentials and operational parameters. Country and city fields standardize geographic data to optimize regional service routing. State and address selections ensure precise location mapping for accurate dispatching and reporting. Service location assignments link vendors to specific facilities to enforce regional service boundaries. System confirmation validates that updated vendor data is synchronized across the maintenance network. Status controls enable administrators to deactivate vendor partnerships while preserving historical data. Requester profiles identify internal staff authorized to initiate maintenance events and equipment repairs. Security protocols allow for immediate credential resets to protect the integrity of the request portal. Access locks prevent unauthorized request submissions during period of user inactivity or risk. Comprehensive user management ensures secure, role-based access to streamline enterprise maintenance workflows. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.